Hi guys, now today we are playing Don't Press the Button. It's actually a game that you don't press the button but you have to pass many levels, 4 gears. I found it. So it's actually many games to play. At least I got my body. Whoa. I got some so big. I got my body Spider Cola to ask me some questions and my pay what friend. Pay what friend, his name is Henry. You Whoa. I survived. Oh, it's actually it's a accessory. This one is a accessory that in my head is actually the pirate face fish. It just a item, but you like to, if you want to get this, it's actually in the avatar shop. Oh, that's me. Hello. But I want this money. Hello. Oh man, I can hide underneath me. Guess I don't get the coin now. Give me the coin. Bro, at least I'm gonna press the button. What is this? I want to drink it. Bro, man. We have many. This is actually the mysterious potion. Bro, what the heck? Bro, what the heck is going on? I cannot. Bro, I'm so slow. I'm so slow. Why I'm so slow? I don't know what my name is. Gun. This is my username for in Roblox, man. It's actually Professor Quanch. Bruh. Or you can search it Bacon Pro Games 90. Oh. My man, I can dodge you easily, but I lost my arm. Come back, buddy! At least I lost my arm though. Then how gonna get past that? Collect the easier eggs. Easter eggs? I thought it's easier eggs. I cannot find that thing, man, because I lost my arm. At least I have two bodies. Is pirate face and spider cola, but he's not with me now because he's not with me because I lost an arm. If you want to get the spider cola, it's in the codes. And type it spider cola. If you want to get the tweet, the bluebird one, it's actually tweet Roblox. Guess so. All the not the backpack. I think it's the backpack is Robux, my man. But I don't have that. This my avatar without the backpack is free, man. Like the oh yeah, the spider cola is free. But you need to. It's actually free, my man. At least the piece. This one is actually my arm. But at least I can walk. Whoa. Got to be kidding me. I will press the button. Don't fall down in the lava. Whoa, guys! I cannot jump. You cannot get me because I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. By the way, how Roblox is just have a name called Skibidi Toilet, but it's censored. It's actually tags. My man is tags. Ooh. Tags. My man is tags. If you say Skibidi right there in the chat, it's actually, look, I'm walking plus typing Skibidi. If you type Skibidi, oh, it got censored. Yeah, how is that impossible, my man? You can type Skibby. Only Skibby and Ski. Well, 6 players, 1 more. At least I will my second pile. Well, my man, I'll be powered to jump without my other hand, but I want to lose a leg. Okay, I'm just joking, guys. It's actually this is a game, but my arm is explode. So you're gonna think carefully. If you see it shake, means you're gonna go to the other side. Oh my goodness! I think it's gonna shake. Oh my goodness! La! I didn't see the shake, not right here. Ooh! Just shake, my man. If this one shakes, yeah, yeah. Bro, I don't even focusing. Yes, my body is back. My second body is back. My body. Oh, bro, man, I just want to get the coin. Nobody can kill me. I invincible. At least if I got bumped, I will not be invincible. Finally. I'm invincible, I told you. Bro, man. Get a coin. Get onto pillars. Oh! My goodness. But I have many afford. I almost afford this. By the way, aliens, ice, I'm gonna die. Hearts take off, infinity and beyond. By the way, I'm gonna press the button when I die. Yeah, I not. Yes, sir. I not feed the giant noob. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna kill myself. But it's a Roblox game, so you're gonna. This is a fun game. But you're gonna oof yourself. I meant. Whoa, you. Yee! At least I'm survived though. I guess the noob it just. I think I respawn. Oh, it's my turn. Gotta be kidding me. Where is it? The umbrella. Bro, man, what umbrella? What kind of umbrella, man? I don't see a single umbrella. Oh man, you thought it's an umbrella, man? But I don't see a single umbrella. Oh man, what you're... I guess I'm gonna... Yep, I'm back. Stoppable. But I'm gonna find it. I'll press the button beneath your head. Bro, man, I don't see a single. Yeet. Yo, I told you. I guess in the first try. Neep. Boop. Bap. I'm gonna drink one of these. Yeah. Yeah. Low. I think I'm just getting fun. Then I'm gonna get gold there. Yes, I guess. I think I'm gonna go here. Yes, I guess again. Damn, master. Avoid the rockets. Where's the rockets? Where's the ball? Bro, man, that's so easy, man. I can see it right here. If I see it, it's actually. Whoa. Oh, it's got. At least. Bro, man, I died and dodged. How is it impossible? So, I think it's this one. Is it prepared to drink? Wait a minute. I think the spider Bloxy is actually the same Bloxy. Look, it's actually the same photo of the builder. I guess we're gonna. At least we have 49 coins left. Pizza. Whoa, man, what is this? Well, I'm gonna stomp on it. Whoa, man, what the heck? Whoa. This is the final game, I guess. Repair the broken. We have a weekend, but I don't get. I think it's in my inventory. Okay. I think I'm gonna replace with the cola. Bye bye cola. I'm just gonna help my friends now. Oh my goodness, it's gonna get wet. It's gonna get wet right now. La loop. Boom. Oh my goodness. But I'm not. Whoa! What the heck? Whoa! This must. I cannot resist. Bro, stop, man. We're gonna fix this. Fix this. I mean to say fix. Like fix. Yes, like fix. Yes, like fix. Let's go fix them all. Bro, I almost drowned, my man. Only. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna drown. I think I'm gonna drown, my man. Hurry, jump over. Wait a minute. I gotta get this. Thanks you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope we got 25 new subscribers and likers. Thanks for watching the video and bye bye.